Kids Company family and friends. We are still learning about space, so our craft for this week is a rocket. Let's start, but before let's quickly spritz and sanitize our hands. All clean. For this craft, we're going to need a toilet roll, Prit, some colored paper, sticky tape, scissor, cellophane, or if you don't have cellophane, you can also use tissue paper. First, we are just going to cut the same length of the toilet roll. And then put glue on. And then just roll it. As easy as that. There we go. Next, we are going to give the rocket a little roof on, so we're going to draw a circle and just cut it out. And then give it another snip to the center to create a little cone, and then just glue it. And then we're also going to glue the top part of your toilet roll and stick your roof on top. Next, we are going to cut out 2 triangles. There's 1, 2, and just attached it to the bottom and make a base. So let's put it on. Then we're going to add some windows, and I drew 3 circles. I'm trying to cut them out. Next, we are just going to cut some strips with your cellophane. And then we're going to sticky tape it to our rocket. it. I hope you had fun making this rocket craft with me. See you next time. Bye!